Hello and welcome back to another video from WEBA. Today we are going to talk about how to remove and attach smartwatch straps. For this video I have brought in several smartwatch models to show you all the different types of the straps and how to install each one. This is going to be a complete guide and we will try to keep it simple and quick. So without further ado, let's get it started. First, let's begin with the typical watch that looks like an Apple Watch. Here it is. As you can see, it looks like an Apple Watch, right? This style is most common when you're looking for a smartwatch or buying replacement straps. These are usually labeled as Apple Watch style straps and are quite generic and easy to find. So how do you attach and remove them? My suggestion is to hold the watch like this and slide the strap out using your fingers like this. Then do the same on the other side. Hold firmly and slide it out. To put the strap back on, it's super easy. Always insert the longer strap on the bottom, below where the time is displayed. If it doesn't slide it easily, it's usually because this little button here is slightly in the way. Just press it gently with your nail and slide the strap in. Now place the other strap. Sometimes it won't slide in from one side, so just flip it and try the other. And just like that, your strap is installed. Now let's move on a different type of watch, the M4 design, similar to Xiaomi style band. To install this one, it is simple. Line up the watch and push it into the band until it locks in. To remove it, push the band outward and slide the watch out using your fingers like this. Put it back, just slide it in and press gently. That's it. We have another type, a very basic smartwatch from brand Macaron. These are super low-end watches. Screen brightness is very poor and the quality overall is not great. These straps can also be harder to find. The bands often bend or breaks easily, like in this case. To attach it, just press the longer strap into the bottom. This style is press fit and you always insert the smooth inside facing forward. It might look a little weird at first, but it's straightened over time. You can press it gently to shape it better. Alright, now let's move on to the next one. This one's beautiful, as you can see. It has a lot of features and we will be doing a full tutorial video on it soon. This watch uses pin style strap, not slide ins. Here's what the strap looks like. If you look closely, there's a small pin here. We will attach it to like this. The long strap goes on the bottom. This one is a bit tricky, not gonna lie. You need to align it carefully, slide it, and then use your nail to pull the small pin inward so it locks in place. Once it clicks, you are good to go. Let's do the same for the other side. Line it up, use the nail and pull the pin inward and apply a little pressure. It might take a few tries, but eventually it will snap into place. Once it's fully in, the pin will no longer stick out. That's how you know it is secure. This is definitely the trickiest strap to install because of the pin is mechanism. Let's move on to another watch. Again, this one comes with two straps versions, one like the typical slide in and one made of polyester like material. Same advice, always place the longer strap on the bottom, slide it in and done. To remove it, slide it out and repeat on the other side. You can't adjust the fit, and that's a problem. It is not like a regular watch's straps. The better option is to choose the other version, which comes with adjustable pins. This way you can easily adjust it and fit your wrist. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If it helps you out, give it a like, leave a comment and share it with others. Take care and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.